Are you planning to update your WordPress website, redesign it, or make major changes? It's a good idea to put your site into maintenance mode. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable WordPress maintenance mode and customize it. Hey guys, it's James from Gigapress.net. You can use the timestamps in the description to jump straight to any section. Let's get started. Method 1. Enable maintenance mode with SeedProd. One of the easiest ways to enable maintenance mode is by using the SeedProd plugin. SeedProd is one of the most popular maintenance page and landing page builders for WordPress. To get started, go to Plugins, then Add Plugin. Search for SeedProd, install, and activate the plugin. Once activated, go to SeedProd, then select Pages. Under Maintenance Mode, click Set up a maintenance mode page. Choose one of the available templates. SeedProd includes dozens of professionally designed maintenance page templates that you can customize without writing any code. Using the drag-and-drop builder, you can add your logo, change the headline, update the text, add a countdown timer, include social media icons, or even collect email subscribers while your website is offline. Once you're happy with the design, click Save. Then, enable maintenance mode by switching its status to Active. Now, visitors will see your custom maintenance page, while logged-in administrators can continue working on the website as usual. Before we continue, if you're looking to build a WordPress website without spending days setting everything up manually or having to resolve errors like this yourself, check out Gigapress AI. Gigapress AI is our AI website builder for WordPress and WooCommerce. It generates a complete professional website in minutes. Simply describe your business, upload some photos, and Gigapress AI can generate a complete professional WordPress website with pages, content, navigation, and design automatically. Best of all, if you have an existing website, you can just enter your URL and it'll do a full redesign for you using your existing content. And unlike many website builders, Gigapress AI creates a real WordPress website, giving you full ownership, complete access to the WordPress dashboard, and total control over your site. Visit Gigapress.net and try Gigapress AI now. Method 2. Use the LightStart plugin. If you're looking for another free option, you can also use the LightStart plugin, formerly known as WP Maintenance Mode. Go to Plugins, then click Add Plugin. Search for LightStart. Click Install Now, and then Activate. Once activated, go to Dashboard, then LightStart. In the General tab, set the status to Activated. Next, open the Design tab. Here you can customize your maintenance page by changing the headline, description, colors, background image, or by importing one of the available maintenance page templates. If you want to add more features, open the Modules tab. Here you can enable features like a countdown timer, subscription form, and Google Analytics integration. The plugin also supports social media links, while newer versions include a chatbot feature instead of the older Google Map option. Once you're happy with the design, click Save Settings. Your maintenance page is now active and ready for visitors. Method 3. Enable maintenance mode manually with code. If you prefer not to install another plugin, you can enable WordPress maintenance mode by adding a small snippet to your theme's functions.php file or a site-specific plugin. To do this, connect to your website using FTP or your hosting file manager. If you're connecting your site to FileZilla for the first time, you can click the link in the description for a complete step-by-step guide. Locate your active theme's functions.php file. Before making any changes, create a backup copy of the file. Then open it and add the following code. This code displays a maintenance message to visitors while allowing administrators who are logged in to continue accessing the website normally. It also returns the correct 503 service unavailable status code, letting search engines know that your website is only temporarily unavailable. Once you finish your maintenance, simply remove the code from the functions.php file and save your changes. Your website will immediately become available to everyone again. And that's it. That's how you enable and customize WordPress maintenance mode. Whether you choose plugins or the manual code method, maintenance mode helps you make changes to your website without visitors seeing unfinished work or unexpected errors. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit Gigapress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.